Okay, so the video that I uploaded previously was a kit bash to make this truck with the two kits, but I forgot that I had used a third kit. But basically, the back half of the cab is from the dually, the front half of the cab is from the Lightning, and the bed is from this XLT kit. It's a longer bed, slightly longer than the bed that comes in the Lightning kit. And then this interior was from the Lightning kit with the split seats in the center console. Got the wood grain, but it just couldn't fit inside after melding the two cabs together. Yeah, actually a 3-piece kit bash.